Today in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are swapping out our straws for a spoon with these easy, healthy, and scrumptious smoothie bowls.
Thank you.
I'm a little bit jealous of my sister. She's very much a morning person. I'm a little grumpy, and she has unbelievable knife skills. And today we're going to address all those things. So we're going to start with 2 breakfast smoothie bowls. We're going to do an acai and a matcha smoothie bowl.
Before we get started, I just want to talk about, no, you're not using that today.
No banana phone?
No banana phone. I just want to talk about how much I love a good knife. It's the most important tool to me in the kitchen.
And you know what? One of the huge perks of our job is we do get sent stuff to try out. These are blockbuster hits. The Wusthof Epicure series of knives. Unbelievable. Even I can use them.
Okay, let's get started with our smoothie bowl.
Which one?
The acai. Acai.
It is a berry that is very high in antioxidants, just so you know, and found in the Amazonian jungle. So what am I doing?
You're just gonna add that banana right into the blender. Then we have...
Oh, sorry, what's this?
This is the... Oh, you just want me to keep saying it.
What is this, Lisa?
Acai.
Good girl.
Thank you. Frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, and almond milk. We're gonna blend that up, and then we're gonna do our toppings for the smoothie bowl.
I used to be a bit of a loser when it came to cutting pineapples. It's so easy when you have the right tools.
Yeah, you need a quality knife, and it's very lightweight. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
As you chop.
Do you see, like, I actually look like I belong on a cooking show.
Okay, that's enough pineapple for you. And we're gonna add some blueberries.
Oh, mother, may I?
Yes, you may. And we are gonna just drizzle honey, and done.
I was also super jealous of Lisa's bowl cut. Go. You could leave me a rat tail if you want. Take the rat tail off, please. How did I do? Am I adorable? I got the Lisa bowl cut. Now for the matcha smoothie breakfast bowl. I love you so much. The thing you're gonna love about matcha, high in antioxidants, and it has caffeine in it, but not the kind that will make you jittery, which is really good because I don't think I need more energy in that regard. I'm usually a coffee drinker. It's really delicious. I didn't know I could feel so good.
No, she doesn't. So start by putting the coconut milk in, and we have a banana sliced up. While you're getting this stuff in, I'm gonna start chopping up our spinach and kale.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Frozen mango, and you have the matcha powder.
Matcha powder.
Yeah.
Matcha-rena, matcha-rena, matcha-rena. Oh, matcha-rena.
Okay, can you add the chopped spinach and kale? Lots of freshness in here.
Getting your greens, baby. Blend her up. We're gonna pour the matcha smoothie into the bowl, hence the matcha smoothie bowl.
And then we're gonna start chopping up our toppings. I'm gonna chop up some dates. Julie has some fresh mango. We have some cocoa nibs, but you can use coconut. Anything really works. We have chia seeds. As you're eating your bowls, you'll never get bored. There's a little bit of everything in every bite. For all these recipes, look below.
And if you like what you see, press like, go to bitememore.com for more delicious, satisfying, scrumptious breakfast recipes. And to learn more about the Wusthof Epicure line, head to wusthof.com.
Good